Welcome back. That's Lena Girl over there. Davey D's right here. Time for some shakas and shout-outs. And we're going to kick it off with shakas and shout-outs to the Friends of Iolani Palace.
And we have a wonderful friend right here with us. We welcome their fearless leader, President and CEO, Paula Akana. Aloha, Paula.
Aloha.
Thanks for coming back.
Thank you. Love to see you guys.
Long time no see.
I know.
But we're excited because this is another Kama'aina Sunday, and this one is going to happen.
This is going to happen. There's
yes.
no rain this
No
weekend.
way.
That is what I am hoping for.
Sunny skies.
And it's Mother's Day. So we have all this beautiful music, free concert from 9 to 1.
Oh, it's a beautiful way to, spoil mama.
Yeah.
It is. And we have some families that this is like a couple years now that mom has decided that they want to come and spend their day here. So we have ʻIolani who will start off the morning. Kamehameha Kamoi Jazz Band,
we
who is
love them.
phenomenal,
So awesome.
right? The jazz ensemble. And then at noon, Walea.
Yeah, that's Kiko Woodward.
This is going to spoil mom. This is awesome. Take her to a little breakfast in the morning, then take her straight to the palace. Or
Well, we have food trucks, so just bring food. A lot of them bring their food, spread it out, and then they just spend the day eating.
And family, it's free.
It's free.
Not the food though. You got to pay for the food, right?
Yeah, you got to
The
pay for
food
the
truck.
food. Unless you bring your own.
Yeah.
People do. They bring all kinds. They bring their coolers and everything. No alcohol, but everything else, and just enjoy yourself there. You can make floral kupe'e with Auntie Mackie. We have Kioa, who's doing
he's so awesome.
Lauhala as well, and your time to learn konane.
Oh, that's
every
good fun.
every Kama'aina Sunday we have the konani board out there, and he's there to teach everybody.
Is there a champion, like somebody that's like the ringer every Kama'aina Sunday?
Not yet. But we're gonna have a competition coming up.
Oh, yeah.
The Konani Challenge.
Yeah.
You guys also stuff for the keiki to do. Keep them busy too.
Yep, they can do those. They can do both of those activities. Are for the keiki as well, and as adults. And then our practitioner, who's been waiting patiently for the right weather, is Mahi La Pierre, who's going to be doing the ʻūkēkē, which is that Hawaiian harp that you play in your mouth. So people are going to be making it. So it's sawing and sanding and making it, and then he'll talk about the history of it, and then you'll learn a song, and
That's awesome. Now, I know that particular workshop is usually a limited space. How many seats we got for this one?
Only 12.
12?
Because
wow.
you're like doing a lot of stuff.
Wow, okay, so you got to get lined up there, and it's at the Richard Street?
Richard Street gate will open up at 8 a.m., 8:30. Whatever. People come super early in the morning.
She's the boss.
No, it doesn't matter because people go there like early.
Yeah, they're there really early. They're really early.
That is
and his
awesome.
class will start at, I think it's going to start at 9, and it's a full 4-hour inside and outside to be working on it. But he has great stories, and I think he'll have time that he'll talk about the story of one of the mele written for the ʻūkēkē, which takes place on the grounds of Iolani Palace. And it talks about soldiers being beaten.
Oh.
So we're not sure exactly what, but he's going to talk a little bit about that as well. So
Bring tissue then while you're working as well. You hearing the story.
And then free tours of the
Yes,
palace.
of course. Mama is the star on Sunday, but of course on the palace grounds, Iolani Palace. So, Kama'aina, you got to show proof that
show your proof that you are here. If not, you pay and come through the palace. And some people come every month and still go through the palace every month because you always find and see something different every single time.
Absolutely.
And then the gift shop is open as well, and so it's a lot of fun. It's just a nice day.
Okay, come celebrate Mama.
Yeah. Yes, and bring your sunshine, bring your mama. It's absolutely free for Kama'aina Sunday, Iolani Palace.
Yeah.
Oh, mahalo nui Paula. I love her.
We want to thank HTA.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes.
HTA for the Kukula Ola grant because we wouldn't be able to do this. It really helps us to provide all the entertainment and the sound and the cultural practitioner, and so.
I love it. Thank you. We got to thank them too because we're getting all of this free stuff because of HTA. And thank you to the Friends of Iolani Palace. Paula Akana, the Queen. Thank you so much for being here. And you know what would be sweet? If you take mom to Kama'aina Sunday and then you gift her with a beautiful leimomi or a Tahitian pearl necklace.
Oh, she would love you so much. And it could happen. Head to KITV.com/contest and enter to win a beautiful leimomi valued at $1,500 from our tita at Sunshine's Jewelry Design. Do it today, family, because the contest ends tomorrow, May 7th.